Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we're navigating a critical update in the Mexican medical device landscape, the official Mexican standard NOM-241 SSA-1 2021. This standard outlines the good manufacturing practices, or GMP, for medical devices. Published on December 20th, 2021, this regulation became fully effective in June 2023, officially replacing the previous 2012 version. This update represents a significant step by Mexico's regulatory body, COFEPRIS, to modernize and align with global best practices. The standard applies to the complete life cycle of a medical device, establishing the minimum requirements for design, development, manufacturing, storage, and distribution. One of the most important changes is the strengthening of the Quality Management System, or QMS, requirements. The new NOM-241 mandates a more robust and comprehensive QMS that is deeply integrated into all operations. This includes detailed expectations for risk management, document control, change control, supplier qualification, and the implementation of a corrective and preventive action, or CAPA, system. Another key development is the formal inclusion of software as a medical device, often called SAMD. The previous regulation had gray areas regarding software, but NOM-241 2021 expands the definition of a medical device to explicitly include software used for medical purposes, whether alone or in combination with other devices. This change provides much-needed clarity for digital health technology manufacturers looking to enter the Mexican market. The standard also formally acknowledges the use of electronic records and digital signatures, reflecting the technological advancements in the industry. Perhaps one of the most welcome updates for international manufacturers is the official alignment with global standards. While the previous version had similarities with ISO 13485, the new standard is more closely harmonized. Furthermore, in a communication released on July 6, 2023, COFEPRIS officially confirmed its acceptance of both ISO 13485-2016 and Medical Device Single Audit Program, or MDSAP, certificates as evidence of GMP compliance for foreign manufacturers. This decision significantly streamlines the regulatory process, reducing redundant audits and creating a more efficient pathway for companies that already meet these internationally recognized quality standards. In summary, NOM-241 SSA-1 2021 is more than just an update. It's a strategic move by Mexico to enhance patient safety and harmonize its regulatory framework with the global medical device industry. It demands a more rigorous approach to quality management, but also offers clearer pathways to compliance for manufacturers worldwide. If your company needs assistance navigating the specifics of NOM-241 or other global market access challenges, the experts at Pure Global are here to help. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.